This briefing is about one thing: forcing asset appreciation. Let's be clear, your building's infrastructure is a hidden financial liability. And this isn't just an expense. It's a direct, unchecked hit to your net operating income. These issues silently attack your equipment and inflate your OpEx. It's a constant bleed. So we're shifting from just treating symptoms to a permanent financial and operational fix. We do this through our A.W.E.E framework, addressing every core system of your asset. This is the elite engineering that underpins our entire financial strategy. It's all about reliability. And here's the crucial part. Every dollar you cut from OpEx drops straight to your NOI. Okay, let's run the numbers. Say we capture a conservative $50,000 in annual waste. Now, what happens when you run that through a standard 6% cap rate? That $50,000 saving, it forces over $800,000 in new equity. Period. Right, but how do you pay for this, especially with zero new capital expenditure? The answer is the BUFFR strategy. It uses the savings to entirely self-fund the upgrade. The result? Zero upfront capital, immediate positive cash flow, and a permanently higher valuation.
So how do we start? With a single low-risk action to quantify your exact opportunity.
Commission the $250 BUFFR diagnostic, and we'll deliver your asset's financial feasibility report.